Hi everyone, I'm Win Valencia from Philippines. Actually, I know Recoverit from last year, but that time I did not use this app or downloaded this app because I didn't know how to use it. But I just found it through social medias like Instagram and Facebook because of the Wondershare. So just a month ago, I have files that I really need to recover in my USB. And then I just remember this Wondershare Recoverit. I browse it through Google and YouTube. I just watch some videos how to use this app. And then I finally downloaded this app and purchased it. Then voila, when I use it, I followed all the rules that I watch in YouTube. And finally, I recovered some files in my USB. Just like wow, as in a wow factor for me. You know, there's a lot of feelings when I use this app. Literally and figuratively, it saved my life. I feel all the synonyms of strongly here because I remember the first time when I used it. I am really down that time because of the files that I really need, and also that time there's no someone who will help me. So I'm just happy when I purchased it and downloaded this app because finally I recovered the files that I really need. Literally a life savior for me. As in wow. So if I will describe Recoverit, literally the word a savior because it really saves my whole life. Imagine, I can still recover some files that I accidentally deleted and some files that stays long in my USB. Just like wow. For me, I think nothing so far to improve this app because as of now, this app literally a file saviors for me. And that's all. For me, a peak of course, I would recommend this app to everyone. So my advice is, if you are one of the Aussie persons just like me, or a person who loves to organize something in your laptop or in your phone, and then suddenly you deleted some files, this app really suits you. You really need to download and purchase this app as soon as possible because Wondershare Recoverit will save your whole life, as in you will thank me later. I just really want to tell something. Don't bother because Recoverit app will always be there for you because for me Recoverit is just like my best friend, something I can trust and will help me to recover my life again.